What's up YouTube? Welcome to my channel. It's your girl Shauna and I'm back with another cooking video today. And today we are going to make one of my favorites, drunken noodles, which I've had several times at like sushi restaurants. Excuse Kingston in the background. He's tired, he's aggravated, he's fussing, so I'm so sorry. But we're gonna make veggie drunken noodles, okay? So come along, follow us on this journey. Oh yeah, if you don't know, we have started a vegan journey. We're trying to go vegan, so that's why we're having veggie drunken noodles. So if you want to see how we make it, stay tuned. Okay, so we have some square noodles, some cabbage, green peppers, shiitake and bella mushrooms, serrano pepper, garlic, onion, baby corn, red onions, and zucchini. So I have my water boiling. I'm gonna put a little bit of oil in it. And then we're gonna put our square noodles in. You can use these or you can use an egg noodle. It just has to be a really flat, kind of like flimsy noodle. It can't be like a harder noodle. It has to be a flat noodle. So in this pan we're gonna put about 2.5 tablespoons of olive oil. Once that heats up, we're gonna first start off with our serrano peppers and garlic, because we want to cook that heat out a little bit before we put the rest of our veggies in. So we're going to put those in, let them get nice and toasted up, caramelize that garlic a little bit. And I also put in the celery because celery takes a long time to cook down, so we're going to put that in also. This is super hard doing while recording. I need to get me a cameraman. So yeah, we're gonna mix it up and we're gonna let those cook for a few minutes until they get a little translucent, until the garlic gets caramelized. Cook the heat out those serrano peppers. And then we're gonna add the remaining of our veggies in layers. Okay, so now the garlic is all browned up and everything cooked down, we're gonna put in the cabbage. I only cut like a quarter of the cabbage up because, you know, it's not only a cabbage dish, so just a little cabbage. And our green peppers. I think I only used one small green pepper. We're gonna put our red onion in. Because you know we're putting that thicker things that take longer to cook down first. So we're gonna put those in. Saute them up, let them cook down with the garlic and pepper and celery. I put a little salt. That was sea salt. Couldn't show it to you because I had to like do the Salt Bay action from the top while holding the camera. And then I put a little pepper, fresh ground pepper, and I mix that in. And I forgot to add this part in because I lost the footage, but right after this I added a little water just to help the cabbage break down a little bit better. So now that's all cooked down, we're going to put in our mushrooms. And I think I said the wrong mushroom earlier, but these are portobello mushrooms. The baby portobello mushrooms. Not, I don't know what I said earlier, but yeah, they're baby portobellos. I shredded up 1 carrot. It was a pretty large carrot, so we have little carrots in. And some cut up baby corn, some watered chestnuts, some more corn. I'm gonna mix those in. Everything that we just added, you don't want to like cook for super long because you want to keep a little texture up in there. So that's how we added it last. Just want those mushrooms to brown a little bit and cook down. And then we'll add the remainder of the veggies. I told you guys this thing is packed with veggies. It's so good. Okay, so now this is my zucchini that I spiralized. This is actually zucchini from my garden. I spiralized it because I just wanted to have it like nice and stringy. I didn't want to have big chunks in there. So when you do it like this, and you get a little bite of it in every bite. And I put this in very last because I barely want to cook it at all. And put a little teeny bit of salt. I barely want to cook it at all because I want it to have like a bite in with the noodles. Because you don't want everything to be like super soft. So I literally let those cook in there for maybe 2 minutes, if that. That is a lot of veggies. And again, if you like meat, you can do this with shrimp. You still need some veggies in there, but you can do it with like shrimp, chicken, beef. When you go to hibachi restaurants, they have that option of getting those. And I always get the veggie one because it's like so good. Look at that, veggie-licious. So in the sauce, this is where I messed up. I put oyster sauce, which is not vegan, so I'm learning. Sesame oil and teriyaki sauce, some brown sugar, and a little bit of water. I'll put the ingredients below the measurements because you know I don't really measure stuff. So now we're going to put those noodles in with the veggies and get everything all mixed up and incorporated. The noodles stuck together a little bit. I'm not sure why, because I put oil in the water. Maybe because they're flat noodles, so you know, they don't have to be perfect. They're supposed to be drunken anyway. So now we're going to put the sauce in and get that all mixed up. But yeah, see, we're learning how to be vegan, so I had no idea until actually the next day after making this that oyster sauce, of course, oyster is not vegan. So next time we're going to omit that and we're going to use maybe some tamari or just the teriyaki sauce or, you know, something like that. But, you know, this is how you learn. This is how you get it right. You gotta make mistakes and you gotta do your research and get educated. This is not just a diet, it's a lifestyle. So yeah, everything's mixed in, but it's looking kind of dry to me, so I made a whole nother sauce to put in. This time I added some toasted sesame seeds because sesame seeds are just bomb in anything that's like Asian inspired to me. So now it's more looking good and juicy because it was a little dry at first. Got everything nice and mixed in. Yes. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Here is the final product. Drunken noodles. If you ever been to like a hibachi or Japanese restaurant, you probably had it. This is my... Yes? Can someone say hi, y'all? Say hi. Anyway, this is my version of it. I'm gonna leave the ingredients in the description below. Feel free to add what you like though. If some of the stuff in here you don't like, add what you want to put in there. You can even, if you want to eat meat, you can put chicken, beef, shrimp. I just wanted to go veggie, so that's what I did. So yeah, if you like this video, give it a fat thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.